Hello friends. The news has just come in that the Republican Party candidate Mr. Donald Trump has been elected by the people of United States of America as the next and the 45th president of the country. As an astrologer, I was naturally curious to see the promises in the horoscope of Mr. Trump which got him elected as the president of USA and gave him such a rare success. The birth details of Mr. Donald Trump are: he was born on June the 14th, 1946 at 10:54 a.m. in Jamaica, New York. So now let us look at the Vedic chart or the Vedic horoscope of Mr. Trump. Before moving forward, let me introduce myself. I am your astrologer Sandeep Kataria, and let me remind you that if you have not subscribed to our channel so far, or if you are the first time visitor of our channel, then please do hit the subscribe button so that you are informed of our videos immediately after they are uploaded. I have already made the chart of Mr. Donald Trump and it is on your screen now. As you can see that his horoscope is of Leo ascendant or the Lagna, and it has Mars in the first house. Even if you know very little of astrology, you would know that Leo is a fiery sign and so is the planet Mars. This makes Mr. Trump a very bold, positively aggressive person with some Martian qualities. This makes Mr. Trump a unique person who wants to win and acquire anything which he sets his eyes on. Mr. Donald Trump is being blessed by a number of excellent yogas or the combination of planets. Let me share a few of these very important yogas with you. Mars is a Yoga-karak planet in his horoscope. Not only that, it is posited in the first house and that too in a friendly sign. This gives Mr. Trump a forceful, bullish and extremely powerful personality. In his mind, he feels that he is right and has the conviction that he can and is a dynamic leader. Mars aspects his fourth house and this makes him successful in real estate holdings. No wonder he has hotels and motels business. A somewhat similar and spectacular push is being given to his career growth and the profession by the presence of Sun. Let us see how and why Sun is so beneficial in his 10th house. First of all, Sun in the 10th house gets directional strength. Secondly, Sun is the king of the celestial cabinet of the planets. Hence, after being the head of his business empire, he is now selected to the top state position. This gives him the air of decisiveness and confidence in whatever he chooses to do. Sun in the 10th house brings for him the promises of name, fame, happiness, royal honor, prosperity, and self-earned wealth. Typically, the promise is of maximum gains after maximum efforts. Friends, did you notice that Mr. Trump has Jupiter in his second house of wealth? We all know that Jupiter is an expansionist planet. Jupiter increases the significations of the house wherever it is posited. No wonder Mr. Donald Trump is one of the richest persons in the world. On the positive side, Mr. Trump is also very intense and focused, and very likely he has a better perception of international politics and finances. He is an incredible strategist and has the ability to stick to his plans until they come to fructify. He's used to being the man on the top, so with a chart like this, he is the right person to be the President of United States. There is Moon in the Scorpio sign. Scorpio is a secretive sign, so very few people will truly know what Donald Trump is thinking or planning. Well, this is a good quality of a strategic thinker and a planner who wants his projects to be executed without being disturbed by those who oppose him. On the positive side, Trump is going to be a fearless and dynamic leader. He is also intense and focused. His horoscope shows that he has excellent perception of international politics and matters of finances. He is also a good strategist and has the ability to stick to his plans until they come to completion. I think the Americans have selected a deserving person as their president. I wish Mr. Trump all the best. Friends, this was a quick and short analysis of the horoscope of Mr. Donald Trump. Please do subscribe to our channel as we intend to produce more videos discussing Mr. Trump's astrology chart. Thanks for watching.